Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Mid-range pool installation. Both fiberglass and concrete in-ground pools start from $25,000 and they'll go all the way up to $100,000 to $150,000 in residential developments, Rose said. The average person will spend around $45,000 on an in-ground pool.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Pool maintenance cost. The average cost to maintain a pool is $80 to $150 monthly, or about $960 to $1,800 yearly. The annual cost to own a pool is $3,000 to $5,000, which includes maintenance, repairs, electricity, and water. The cost to open or close a pool ranges from $300 to $500 on average.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How much does a pool cost to run? The average swimming pool will cost between $800 and $1,200 to run annually, consuming between 2,000 and 3,000 kilowatt-hours of electricity. That's about $23 each week.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Not only does a pool increase your social worth, but it can also increase the value of your home. Living in a posh area and a warm climate will definitely help get your home and your pool noticed by potential buyers. But it's also important if you still have some backyard left for other activities.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.